I finally managed to load gear bell to my Arduino board. I have a set of experimental set of stepper motor, one stepper motor connected to Arduino with CNC sheet. I will connect this set to my laptop, and I will load quite software on the hard drive of my laptop. We'll see if it whether it will be working fine. So this is this Arduino. I have power supply and connection wire from the power supply to CNC shield. I don't know if it will be too thin, because this is very thin wire. I have no other wire. I have another power supply, but this is 120 watts power supply, and this is not efficient for my goals. This power supply has 300 watts of power, so I think that it will be enough for my solutions. I plan to connect my experimental set to STLCAM program, and I think that that will be working fine. Maybe I will experiment with some settings in my laptop yet, and I don't know if my settings on CNC sheet is good, because I have no attempts to regulate this. I left it just like it was previously. I think that it will be working with this settings, but I don't know if CNC drivers, this CV drivers will be enough for NEMA 17 stepper motors of that kind, but maybe it will be okay. I have everything what is required for proper connection of my my mill to proper working. I think that main problem now will be settings on laptop or Rastercam. Maybe I should try some settings right now, but if I have no ability to present this now, because I have one hand only available, so maybe later. Okay, this is what I was trying to show. I have thought that I can build open build black box CNC controller, but this is too expensive for me right now. So I decided to apply this simple solution, electronics, with CNC sheet and Arduino board. Maybe it will do because it's cheap, but everywhere in internet is show that it will be working fine.